What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're at Schumacher Homes, Greenville, Spartanburg location, and we're getting ready to check out a beautiful version of their Charleston 2. So let me get you outside. I'll tell you all about it. All right, y'all, say hello to the American Tradition version of the Charleston 2. This is just another beautiful Charleston layout. I love it. This one's got that really nice blue siding with the shingles, and then you've got some lap siding over here by the garage as well. Now, inside of this home, you are going to find 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It does have a 2-car garage, and all of this sits inside of approximately 2,833 square feet. You have this beautiful stone entryway right here, and then, of course, the covered porch. Love it. Now, if you are interested in this home, it does start at approximately $480,000. But with that, let's get inside and see what all we can find. All right, here we go. So this is the view that you're greeted with just as soon as you walk in. Nice big windows over there looking out onto that back covered deck space. Love it. But let's start right here in the foyer. So you've got just tons of glass surrounding this door right here, super tall ceilings, and then just plenty of room to do a whole bunch of decorating. Now, as we are walking through this home, let me know what you like, what you might want to change or rearrange if this home was to be yours. I love hearing that stuff down in the comments. And then also make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of the spectacular homes that we tour all across the country. So we're going to start right here in the office space, which is just as you walk in. Now, this can be a number of different things if you wanted it to. You know, when we are walking these floor plans, definitely keep that in mind that while the layout, and honestly, the layout doesn't even have to be exactly this, but you know what I mean. If you see a layout that you like, but maybe you don't like how the room is particularly staged, don't worry about it. You can put your own flair into it, right? Turn it into whatever you want it to be. And then across the hall, you do have a powder room. So you got the single vanity, and then the toilet. And then right next to that, kind of all right here together, you also have the coat closet. And then from there, it opens up into all of your common spaces. Now, like with all the Charleston floor plans, this is a split bedroom layout, meaning that their secondary bedrooms are on one side, and you've got the master suite on the opposite side. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is start here in the living room, then we're gonna go check out all of the secondary bedrooms. So tons of space in here. You do have the stairwell going down into the basement. Now in this home, the basement is their kind of showroom. It's where they got all the offices and stuff like that. But plenty of space. I mean, look how large this couch is, right? Tons of room. You can definitely veg out on this thing. But nice big windows, providing tons of natural light. And then let's get over here in this corner real quick. I'll kind of give you a nice pan of the rest of the space, and then we'll get in there, do a little deeper dive here in just a minute. But on this side of the home, we'll start up here all the way at the front. So this is where you have all of the secondary bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1 sitting up towards the front of the house. And I feel like this side of the house is set up almost exactly like any other Charleston floor plan, where you've got the 2 bedrooms kind of real close together up here at the front of the house, this one having the higher ceilings. And then this bedroom right here kind of looking like the one towards the back of the house with slightly lower ceilings, but the room is a little bit more spacious. This one's got a nice brick accent wall, which reminds me of my granddad's house. They had a carport, and they ended up finishing it off and turning it into just like a big hangout space for all the family and everything. And it's got like this nice big white brick accent wall, which technically was the old exterior of the home. But into this one's closet. And then working our way back towards the back, this is the shared bathroom. So you've got the single vanity, the shower and tub. And then the toilet around the corner. A linen closet. And then all the way at the back, this is the third secondary bedroom. So this is trip 1 of 2 down here to this like Asheville, North Carolina, kind of Greenville, Spartanburg area. I actually got to come back down here later on in January. We've got some brand new builders that we're coming to check out too. So that's pretty exciting. Just a little bit of a new space. I really haven't done too much down here towards like, you know, Asheville, Greenville, like this part of the world. But coming into the dining room, and what I do like about this compared to like the main Charleston, so you've got Schumacher has the Charleston 2, and then the Charleston 3. And with the Charleston, I feel like the dining room is just the way that it's laid out. It doesn't feel like its own space, where this one right here definitely feels like it has its own kind of space, right? And then it's also got this like really nice large buffet back behind it. And then I don't know if you caught it, but you do have this nice accent ceiling too. And then we'll step outside, check out this back covered deck space. So tons of room out here, plenty of things to do. Just kind of want to get in all the different areas so you can see everything. And then this door actually leads back into the master bedroom, so you do have access from there just to come straight out onto the deck. And then into the kitchen. So nice big island. You've got a couple or a few pendant lights hanging down over the top of it. I did see there's an outlet down there, and then there's an outlet over here on this side as well. But you also have this nice lip, so you might even be able to get 2 stools over here if you wanted to. And then you've got the dishwasher, the apron sink, kind of peering back out over your domain. And then along the far wall, you've got your refrigerator, your oven, built-in microwave, little buffet space, a little coffee shop spot, right? Something along those lines. And then I do love, you've got the accent lights in the glass pane cabinets up top. And I'll go ahead and back you up real quick, kind of give you a whole kitchen view of that, which is really neat. And then of course you've got your gas range and your range hood. And then just off of the kitchen, you also have a pantry. And this one's got another sink and a secondary refrigerator. And then beyond all of that, you kind of work back towards like your garage space. Now this would be like your garage door right here. But they've got this stuff set up like this would be where you come and enter to come and see all the models. But so that would be your garage. And then this would be like your mudroom space. And then you've got some attic access in here. Your hall tree. And then like a linen closet, storage closet, whatever you needed to use it for. Maybe another coat closet, right? And then all the way at the back, this is your laundry room. So another nice deep wash basin, washer dryer hookups. And then into the master bedroom. But you also have a pocket office, which they've kept this too with all of the Charlestons. It's just the layout is different variations. And we've toured recently, we've just gone back and retoured. I know at least one of the Charleston models. So if you wanted to check out the difference between the two layouts, definitely do that. But into the ensuite, you've got double vanities, the water closet, and then in between the two, like his and her closets, you've got this standalone shower. With just tons of space. The sun's going to be coming right in this window. But you've got a closet on this side with tons of room. And then you've got a closet on this side. This one, I mean, they're probably about the same size, just laid out slightly different. And then into the master bedroom itself. So vaulted ceiling, exposed beam. And like some shiplapping up there. Wallpaper accent wall, nice big windows. And then of course access onto the deck. All right, y'all let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this home or Schumacher Homes, you can find that information right down there in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you go on to have a fantastic day. And as always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.